association with Sai Tirupati chapter, and 2015 onwards. 2015 somehow, because of professional reasons, I could not make it. But I had sent my paper and then spoken with sir. Am I audible? So that time, he was really encouraging and motivating. And then in absentia also I could receive my paper. My paper got published. And I was so encouraged. And in last year also I came here. And really I am so thankful to Reddy Shekhar Reddy Garu for his hospitality and his team, the way they arrange. The one specialty I am going to talk here, because I have been attending several national and international conferences in Hyderabad. I am from Geetham University. I am sorry I haven't given my institute name. Geetham University, Hyderabad campus. I am working in the Department of English for the last 7 years. And one specialty I taught, because very recently I attended two international conferences in the month of January. One an English and Foreign Languages University where I studied, Usmania University where I had the entire courses, PhD and all I completed from Usmania University. And proceedings only, the research and publication part, they're not doing. Only presentation we completed, the proceedings haven't brought out. But here every time, the conference, on the first day in the inaugural session, we receive our publication of papers. So really we are very grateful to you, sir. I understand, the laborious work. Publication is not such an easy job. And sir mentioned, 190 papers, writing part and then bringing out in the form of a book. It's not an easy job. So really, so thankful. Last time also I came here, I felt so happy. I chaired session, presented my paper. And this time also, second time I chaired my session and presented my paper. And I also very useful, we interacted with many colleagues coming from various states, across nations and across countries also, few members this time. And very good interaction and sharing information, sharing ideas. And the plenary speakers also, well taken, all the presentations by them, quite useful. And the way the food was served, hospitality, and staying in guest house and all. So everything going very well. Thank you very much, sir.